Hi, Adam here with Inspired LED to introduce the new Insight Series low voltage can light. This innovative fixture combines the energy efficiency and cost saving benefits of 24 volt LEDs with the sleek look of traditional recessed can lights. Each Insight can light draws approximately 9 watts of power, although this number will vary slightly depending upon your specific system layout. Our can lights are fully dimmable with compatible control systems. There are a few different ways in which to install your can light system. For this demonstration, I will be showcasing our hardwired option. When calculating power requirements to determine which transformer you will need, we recommend estimating about 10 watts per can light. To get started, you will need a 4.5-inch circular drill, bulk length of 16 to 22 gauge cable, and tools for fishing cable as needed. You will need wire strippers, wire nuts, at least one 24 VDC transformer and compatible dimmer switch, and of course, your selection of can lights. Start by carefully measuring and marking the center point of each desired location for your can lights. The standard for 4-inch fixtures is to position them about 4 feet apart. Use a circular drill to create a 4.5-inch hole at each mark and select a remote location to install your 24-volt transformer. Connect the transformer to a high voltage switch according to the product's instructions. Then run your low voltage wire drops to each pre-drilled hole. Use wire nuts to connect each can light to its dedicated wire drop, ensuring polarities are matched, red to positive and black to negative. Once your can lights are wired and functioning, you're ready to mount them in place. Lift the spring clips on either side into an upright position and insert the fixture into the designated hole. Gently allow the spring clips to release inside the mounting hole so that the product is held flush to the surface. Be sure not to twist the fixture once it's installed, for this could cause connection issues. And there you have it, a convenient low voltage can light system with all the benefits and less mess. For more information on the new Insight can lights and other Inspired LED products, contact our award-winning customer service team at orders@inspiredled.com or give us a call at 480-941-4286.